Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Cook 2 lb Yukon Gold potatoes whole or halved in salted boiling water 15 to 20 minutes until fork tender. Avoid overcooking so slices hold shape. Drain briefly. Reserve 1/4 cup hot cooking water to loosen the dressing later. Then slice potatoes about 1/2 inch thick while still warm. Finely chop 1/4 cup shallots and measure 2 tablespoon chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon chopped chives so they are ready when the vinaigrette is hot and the potatoes are warm. Make a warm vinaigrette by whisking 3 tablespoon Dijon mustard with 2 tablespoon white wine vinegar and 1/4 cup olive oil until smooth. This ratio gives a balanced tang and body. Stir in the reserved 1/4 cup hot potato water a little at a time to emulsify and thin the dressing. Season with 1 tsp kosher salt and 1/2 tsp freshly ground black pepper. Pour the hot vinaigrette over the warm sliced potatoes and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so the potatoes absorb flavor and the shallots soften. Gently fold in 2 tablespoon chopped cornichons and 2 tablespoon chopped capers for a bright, briny contrast. Then add 2 tablespoon chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon chopped chives for herb freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, and brighten with 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar if the salad needs more acidity. A final drizzle of 1 tablespoon olive oil can round the texture. Serve the French potato salad warm for immediate enjoyment or chill 30 to 60 minutes, bringing it back to room temperature before serving so flavors bloom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.